Hi my dear friends, welcome back. In this tutorial you will learn how to remove pop-up ads on your Samsung or Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, take your phone, open the Google Chrome browser. After the browser is open, tap on the three dot small button top right corner, then go to settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down slowly, locate the site settings option, tap to open them. After that, first of all, locate the notification option, tap on it. If it turn on your phone, simply select the don't allow site to send notification. After you select it, simply go back to the previous screen, then scroll down. Here you can find the pop-ups and redirects option, tap on it. If it allow or turn on, simply you can select don't allow. After you selected, go back previous site settings screen, scroll down again. This time you can locate at the intrusive ads option, tap to open it. If it turn on your phone, simply select the ads are blocked on site known to or similar name depending on your phone model or Android version. After you turn them off, simply close it. Then go to settings, open connection, scroll down, go to more connection settings page. Here find the private DNS option, tap to open it. After that you can select private DNS provider hostname, then simply type the code dns.adgar.com, then hit save button. After it done, go back to the main settings again, scroll down slowly. Here you can find the Google services or Google or similar name, tap to open it, then click on all services. Now scroll down slowly, you can find the privacy and security section under ads option, open them. After this page is open, locate the add privacy option, click on it. Here you can see basically three options: add topics, add suggested ads, or add measurement. The triple option is turned on your phone, simply turn them off. After it turn off, go back to the previous screen. You can find the reset advertising ID name, click on it, then hit confirm. Now finally click on delete advertising ID, then scroll down, tap on delete advertising ID again to confirm it, and you are done. But note, if you don't be completely remove all of the pop-up ads, use Samsung or Android phone. But this method work for you to remove most of all ad or decrease the ads pop-ups your device. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. Goodbye. See you in the next one.